Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Thank you, Lord. Thank you again. Thank you very much talaga, Lord. I have 1 subscriber. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Just to say go, go, go. And thank you. Thank you for the full support to all of them. Diba lagi kong sinasabi that to all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, that they are belong and they have time to spend to watch in the different kind of social medias. That's why I have this one. So thank you again. And that's what I'm feeling. Happy Sunday to all of us. Look, this one is almost 1 week. Okay, Si Sir, sabi si Sir, she's telling si Sir, what is this one? So, of course, that is ice. That is decoration. Look his hair. It's very, very big. It's very, very more. Madam Sams, ano mo kasi everyday pot water, Madam Sams. Johnny and Asus and Rakib make it everyday to put water this one. Okay, look what I do, what we do. Ayan you see? Grabe ka cute yung hair niya. Ewan ko kung hanggang kailan kasi ganuhan na yan. Cutting grass hair. Yesterday si Sisi at saka si Sir. Silang dalawa. Nagayan ayan umiksi, ayan kasi nag-cutting grass hair na sila. Okay, so once again, thank you. Thank you to all of them. Thank you to all. Thank you talaga, thank you. Mga some blogger that they have already in the higher standard of their channel that they have their own. Keep safe that one. Ingatan nyo. Kasi ako nga, ang hirap-hirap ko pang umabot. Siguro dahil sila, nakalagay na o nakalain na sila, or they have a technique, or they have a more time that they can concentrate to their channel and their own channel, that it's easy to them that they can monetize of their channel. But me, same as usual, so I'm just continue go. What is the ending of this one? And thank you for giving me time for the YTG company and their founder and their staff and mga workers, that they are giving me chance that I can enter. And I wish, and I don't what's that, to wish lang talaga na magiging one very, very beginning become a YouTuber someday, and somehow that's what I wish. Okay, because we don't know if what is the result of what I do, and that is good luck, that is a blessings, that at least it's part of my journey, that while I'm still working in this earth with my mga amo, with my madam and sir, family of madam and sir, and to Sisi, and our future little baby come, and to become one member of the family of my madam and sir and Sisi, coming soon, the little baby. And thank you also to my all family. Good luck, may mga all nieces, may mga apo sa tuhod, mga pamangkin na cousins, mga relatives na mga pamangkin, mga aunties and uncles, mga lilas and lolos, mga mamas and papas, mga ninangs and ninongs, mga all ang kanto ang kanbot side of my nanay and tatay in the both barangays and both different town that I'm belong in my own hometown. I think, and If I'm not mistaken, they're already member of, mostly they are already member of the different kind in the social media. So, to the all peoples that you are still living, and some of them that some blogger that you are still helping to me talaga. Wherever you are, whatever you do, what standard you are, what kind of nationalities, thank you so much talaga. God please provide everything, whatever we need. More blessings with your individual families, or you are alone, or who we are, that's all. So thank you that we are belong in the any countries that we are, where we are. Okay, so once again, thank you, and happy Sunday to all of us. Keep safe lagi. Thank you. Kung hindi, if I cannot mention na, I can pronounce na talaga pag I cannot, ano na lang, ganito na lang to shout out all of them. Because how long they are and how too much that what I have already. So, shout out to all of them. And God will be provide everything as but always I'm telling thank you so much, and I continue to work my daily routine cleaning only in my work. Okay, so bye-bye, and God bless us all. More blessings. Keep safe. Ingat. Ano muna tayo, mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Pag-exercise tayo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Kasi bye-bye dyan, bye-bye. Ay, naku po, ang init-init sa labas. Tingnan mo, super hot talaga.